Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to talk a little bit about a very specific topic about what we can do and how we can fix problem when, for example, Samsung or any other phone might not charge itself or just won't. I don't know, you can see black screen, it won't actually turn on, etc, etc. And in this video, I'm going to talk about my experience with this problem and how I fixed it. And if you're interested in this topic, please continue watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get notifications about my new videos. Let's go. So now I'm gonna tell you a little bit about my personal experience. So for example, now I'm recording this video and also telling you a story about this specific phone on which I am recording. So basically, now I'm gonna show you some information about this phone. So going to about phone section, as you can see, model name Galaxy A50 and model number you can see here. You can pause the video and read it. I won't pause on this. So basically, I have this problem when for example, I wanted to charge my phone and suddenly I started to see such a sign, as you can see. So it's red sign and I would say crossed out charging signs. So as you can see, and also Samsung phones, while you can see this sign, also will do like some signaling. So as you can imagine, this was pretty loud, and I was actually this was very unexpected to me, and I did not know what I can do about this and how this actually happened. I tried a lot of different things, I watched a lot of different videos, instructions, even I went to Samsung official website in order to check for some fixing methods, but I actually did not find anything. But now in this video, I'm actually going to tell you how I did this. So basically, I remember that I contacted, yes, you can get this notification when, for example, your phone is actually turned on. After actually this message, my phone actually turned off, and then I actually wasn't even able to turn it on back. And so I even contacted, exactly when I'm talking about Samsung phones, you might actually as well have a different phone, but have the same setting. The same problem. So I contacted even Samsung official consultant in order to get some help or advice. Maybe I did something wrong and my phone, because of that, went overheating and just black screen appeared from all of the sudden. And so I received next following recommendations. So for example, as you might know if you've seen my channel before, I use quite a bit developer options mode, and the consultants suggested me to turn this off. Maybe this will be helpful for you, but actually it wasn't in my case. Also, what might be impacting your overheating situation is, for example, when we go into our settings and go into battery and device care, here you might go into battery and go into more battery settings. As you can see, we have here fast charging setting, and this setting actually might cause your phone overheat. So you can also turn this setting off and try, maybe this will help you. So I really do think that this might be important to consider. And actually, what eventually it was, I did not notice, for example, I think that I did not notice it, but in my charging port or some of the other ports at the bottom of your phone, my phone just got wet, or maybe just some water drops, or just some trash or dust just I would say stuck there, and this was causing my phone to overheat. And as you can see, after all these messages and after all these, I don't know, all these tries of me to somehow fix this problem, I couldn't do anything until I watched some really useful video on YouTube, actually. Because, for example, as you might go on YouTube and see some videos, this phone model is Samsung A50, and this is pretty, I would say, predominant problem with these types of phones. I don't know, maybe this is from manufacturer problem or whatever. It doesn't really matter. So I watched this video and I realized that I needed to somehow fix this charger port board. So as you can see under your screen and actually inside your phone, you have this board which actually contains your charger port, your port for example, headphones, etc., etc. And so this port, when it gets wet or dust stuck there, it actually gets broken and overheats your phone. And so how I fix this problem? I really discourage you to do it yourself unless you really knew what you're doing, as I do. So I just ordered this port and fixed it by myself. So I needed to repair my phone. I just took away all of the parts and changed this port on the new one. And after this problem was completely gone. My phone actually hasn't ever been overheating anymore after this procedure. But if you don't sure that you can do this, if you actually didn't do this ever, you haven't done this ever in your life, I really suggest you to go into some center that's a repair center specifically created for your type of phone. So for example, Samsung, go into Samsung repair center, etc., etc., and the specialists will do the whole work and even might also order this board specifically for you, and they will change it and fix your problem. So I hope that this video is really helpful for you. If you enjoyed watching it and you found it helpful, I hope that you did. And so don't forget to like, hit the bell button to get notifications about my new videos, and also subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate that.